Hi everyone. Just turning my autofocus off. Let me make sure. Okay, good. It's Molly. I just want to do a very simple pour. This is I think an 8x8 canvas actually. It's very small. I have my paint already made up here. And I just kind of want to pour today, and I'll put it in my description down below, but I'm gonna do a pour in the center. I've layered these like I would my ring pour, and I'm gonna pour it in the center, and then I'm gonna elongate as if they were rings of a planet and see what happens. So here I go. And I probably have too much paint for this canvas, but we'll see. I know I have too much paint. I'm actually going to stop before I get anywhere else. And I think I'm going to spread that paint out. Oh, it's off canvas for a second. Okay, so here I go. I'm going to spread it back this way first. Then I'm going to come over to the side, bring it back. So I got a little bit of an interesting effect there. I just really wanted to use up this canvas. Might try this again. Still kind of working with the ring pours and seeing what 3D effects I can get out of them. But this one was pretty cool. Inside a little bit. I'm just bringing it back to the center. Okay, cool. I like all the different lines and the rings. So I'm gonna keep playing around with these. Very cool. I'll take you down so you can take a look. So there it is. Really simple. Just plain lines. Just a simple pour. All right, thank you guys. Happy painting. Bye.